Welcome to Trimax Marketing Real Estate, your property's best friend. We are dedicated to making your real estate journey smooth and successful. Owning a property is a big deal. It's a milestone that signifies stability, growth, and a place to call your own. It's also a big responsibility. From maintenance to upgrades, there's always something to manage. Whether you're buying, selling, or just want to make your current place amazing, Trimax Marketing Real Estate is here to help. We offer comprehensive services tailored to meet your unique needs. We're not just about selling houses, we're about making your property dreams come true. Our mission is to turn your vision into reality. From design to construction, we handle it all. Our team of professionals ensures that every detail is taken care of, from the initial concept to the final touches. Think of us as your one-stop shop for all things real estate. We provide a wide range of services under one roof, making it convenient for you. We've got a team of experts ready to tackle any project. Our specialists are experienced in various aspects of real estate, ensuring top-notch service. We take the stress out of property ownership. You can rely on us to handle the complexities while you enjoy the benefits. You focus on your vision and we'll make it happen. Our goal is to bring your ideas to life with precision and care. At Trimax, we believe that everyone deserves a property they love, a place that reflects their personality and meets their needs. Whether it's your dream home or a smart investment, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Our expertise ensures that you make informed decisions. Let's work together to unlock your property's full potential. With Trimax Marketing Real Estate, your property goals are within reach.